Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how we can bypass this error. For example, I run it, you will see, okay, we will see this error. This app has been blocked for your protection. Let's see. Now, just from search bar, search for Regedit. Okay, click registry data. Yes, it looks like this. Select local machine, then software, then Microsoft. Find Microsoft, this one. Then Windows. Find Windows. Windows. Then current version. This one. Then policies. This one. Then system. Good. Now just click on system here. Then double click on enable LUI. Change this one to 0. Okay. Okay, now just restart. Just restart. After restart, let us find the app. Here, just right click, run as administrator, run. You see, it's starting to install and we fix it or pass it the error. That's all. Have a nice time.